What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one we're going to go over the Oklahoma Joe's Judge Charcoal Grill in black. The Oklahoma Joe's grill can be used as a grill or a smoker. This unit comes equipped with a high quality thermometer. This allows you to smoke on low temperatures or grill on high temperatures. Alright, let's fire up this Oklahoma Joe grill. First thing you want to do is clean off the grate. Next thing you want to do is fire up your charcoal and then spread it out evenly in the bottom of the grill. The Oklahoma Joe smoker comes with this little metal tool used to move the grates around the grill. Once you get the charcoal lit and in the bottom of the grill, you want to give it some air through the intake and open up the exhaust chimney. Control your temperature with the airflow. The more air you allow in and the more air you allow to get out will increase the temperature inside your grill or smoker. So to keep the grill in the smoker barbecue range of 200-300 degrees, just barely crack the intake and barely crack the exhaust. And if you want to get it hotter, let more air pass through. The Oklahoma Joe grill comes with two metal tables on either side. They're both removable and very handy for setting food, drinks, ingredients, that sort of thing. The grate or cooking surface on the Oklahoma Joe grill is fairly large and you can get quite a lot of food on this. The Oklahoma Joe's charcoal grill combines superior control elements with heavy-duty, high-capacity grilling. This is a great option for residential backyard barbecues or parties.